Hi, my name is Joshua Sawtell. I'm a wellness coach and I'm here with the Desire Company. The class I'm going to teach you today is going to help you find relief in your upper body. If you use technology, you likely have a somewhat hunched appearance that causes you pain on a daily basis. These simple, repeatable movements will help you counter that pain. All you're going to need is a yoga mat, and it's also very helpful to have a block or two as well. I've also laid out crystals, stones, I have sage burning as well as essential oils through a diffuser. Anything you have available can always help the experience. To get started, find a comfortable seat. I like to use a block underneath my hips. This helps bring stability to my pelvis. If you can do that on the floor, please do so. Find a nice tall seat and then bring your palms to face up. The reason I want your palms to face up, this brings an external rotation to your shoulders. Because of technology, we have an internal rotation with your palms down. This lengthens the muscles along your back and contracts the muscles on your chest. This creates pain. These techniques help counter that pain. First, simply bring your hands up as you breathe in, and then as you breathe out, go to the side, lengthening the ribs and all of those muscles, the intercostals, helping them lengthen and create space to up your lung capacity. This is going to let you breathe more. Breath equals energy. When you're ready to come back up, inhale, both hands come up. Exhale to the other side. Again, lengthen through the side, feel the muscles on your ribs extend. Breathe into that space. One more inhale. Go a little deeper with your exhale. Inhale, hands back up to center. Now we're going to take eagle arms. Exhale, right arm under the left. Bring your palms to touch. If your palms can't touch, give yourself a hug and squeeze really tight. Eventually, you'll find that you'll be able to take the full expression. As you inhale, elbows, hands lift. As you exhale, elbows, hands come down. We're going to do that twice more on this side. Inhale, elbows, hands up. Exhale, contract down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, contract. Release your hands at the bottom. Palms face up, chest lifts. One breath in. One breath out. The other side. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, left arm under the right. Palms touch, or again, grab your shoulders. As you inhale, hands, elbows, chin lifts. As you exhale, everything contracts in. Twice more. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Last time through, really squeeze your hands. Last exhale. Release your hands down. At this point, take the block if you're using it underneath you and set it off to the side. Turn your body to a tabletop position so your knees are going to be underneath your hips, palms are going to be flat down onto the ground. To find your hands, I want you first to take a teardrop with your fingers and then spread that on the mat. Feel the bones of your hand push into your mat. Now you're really engaging your hand. Do the same thing with your other hand as well. Now simply step back and find yourself in a high plank, the top of a push-up. Instead of letting your elbows come out, pull your elbows in, shift your weight forward. Suck your belly up and in, this will lift your hips. You're here just for 4, downward facing dog in 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog, push through your palms, bend your knees to lift your hips. Your heels may touch the ground or they may not. Breathe here. One more breath in. One more breath out. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Bring your feet up towards your hands. Take a bend in your knees so that you can lift your hips higher. Then bring your chest and your head lower and just hang heavy. You can sway softly side to side if you feel a lot of tension in your low back, or breathe in stillness. On your next inhale, begin to slowly roll up. All the way to standing. Again, check in with your palms. If they're in towards your sides or towards the back, that's an internal rotation of your shoulder blades, and that's going to hurt your chest and your upper back. Palms face forward. Feel that broaden through the chest. Now, to get started into our Sunné, we're gonna use our block. So grab your block, place it high up between your inner thighs, and squeeze it really hard. This is gonna engage your lower abdominals, keeping you safe. Bring your hands up to mountain pose, inhale, and breathe. First thing that normally happens in mountain pose, shoulders start to rise up to your ears because we do this a lot with technology. Gently bring your shoulders down and back. Palms face towards the back, pinkies face towards each other. Engage your core by sucking your belly in and squeeze that block for 4. We're gonna bend to the side in 3, 2, 1. Exhale, side bend to the right. Push into your block, send your hips left. Reach your hands to the right. We're taking that first stretch on the ground further. You're here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Hands come up, hips come center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Take your hips, send them right. Reach your hands to the left. Rotate your right shoulder back. Breathe for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Hands come back to center, hips come center. Exhale, standing back bend. Send your hips forward, lift with your chest, then pull your arms down into a cactus shape. Rather than pull here, I want you to pull back. Lift with your chest, arms and shoulders back for 4. Chair pose in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, chair pose. Sink your hips down. Squeeze that block tight. Reach your hands high. Suck your belly up and in. Bring your shoulders down. You're just here for 4. Chair plane in 3, 2, 1. Hands come back. Shift the weight more into your toes. Here for 4. Reach back for 3. Feel your chest broaden for 2, 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Hands come up. Exhale, forward fold. Bring your hands to your chest, bend your knees, hinge from the waist. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands can come to your shins or above your knees to your thighs, but avoid your knees, team. Push into your legs, pull your shoulders blades back, and go for a longer spine. Reach the very tip of your head forward, push your hips back. You're gaining traction in the spine for 4. Forward fold in 3, 2, 1. Exhale, forward fold. Now we're gonna flow through that sequence, breath to movement. First, let's sync up our breath with palms facing forward. Deep inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale, mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, standing back bend. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, chair plane. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. So from here, team, we're not gonna need the block anymore. Take the block, set it off to the side. Deep inhale, and then fold even heavier with your exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank, just like we did at the top of class. Plant your palms firmly, step your feet back to the top of a push-up. Engage your core to lift your hips. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Push into your palms, bend your knees, lift your hips high. Inhale, right leg high. This is three-legged dog. Pause here, team, and breathe. Push into both of your palms. Instead of letting your elbows flare out, draw them in. Spin your right hip down instead of letting it open up too much. Now, as you inhale, lift your heel. Exhale, low lunge, step between your hands. Inhale, crescent moon, drop your left knee down. Pull your right heel back. This brings stability to your lower body. As you inhale, hands come up just like mountain pose. Palms face in or pinkies face in. Again, lower your shoulders down. You're gonna find stability here by pulling back with your right heel, using your core to spin your left hip down. This is gonna bring stability to your pelvis. Feel nice and strong here. If you need more support, push the top of your back leg down into the ground. That fully engages your lower body. Hands stay here. Feel that engagement for one more inhale and one more exhale. Now, as you keep the lower body engaged, we're gonna work on the shoulders and the upper body. Inhale, fingertips up. Exhale, crescent twist. Bring your left arm back, right arm stays forward. You're not gonna find a full rotation unless you're extremely mobile. Wherever you're at, breathe. You want your left hip to stay forward, don't let it pull back. Pull your arm back, not your hip. Now, for an extra benefit, flip your palms up as you inhale, and then as you exhale, pulse. Just 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent bend. Just like you did standing, pull your elbows down, but then hands come back, chest comes up, core stays engaged. Again, you can push down into your back leg, pull your right heel back, feel that firm foundation. Feel your chest broaden for 4, crescent moon in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back up to crescent moon. Exhale, low flying crescent. Curl your back toes, push into them to lift up your back knee. Just like chair plane, bring the weight into the heel of your right foot as your hands reach back. Lift your chest up, reach your arms back for 4. One-legged Tadasana in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, push through the heel of your right foot, lift your left knee, and engage your core, engage your right thigh. One more inhale, lift your knee, kick your foot out. Exhale, low lunge. Plant your palms, step back. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale. Audible exhale. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, step through. Inhale, crescent moon, knee drops, hands lift. Exhale, crescent twist. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent bend. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low flying crescent. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon, right knee drops, hands lift. Exhale, crescent twist. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent bend. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low flying crescent. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, down dog. One more time, team. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent twist. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent bend. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low flying crescent. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent twist. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, crescent bend. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low flying crescent. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pedal that out, team. Deep inhale through your nose. Exhale out your nose and come down to your knees. Come back up. Take the block out. Exhale, sit down on your heels. Take this block, place it on your mat. Find a nice cross-legged seat like we did at the very top of class. First thing we're gonna do, palms face up. Take a deep inhale. Shoulders come up. Exhale, shoulders come down. One more deep inhale. One more deep exhale. Thank you so much for joining me and the Desire Company in helping you take care of your own health, taking care of your own pain, your own anxiety. You can get better. You can be in control of your own life.